Hello everyone. So I got a bit sidetracked. We're not doing package install stuff today. I can't be asked to stat that bin anyway. I'm half tempted to just cheat and use mode import, but anyway. Um, so yeah, so I got sidetracked because we got private keys. Yeah, so we got private keys. This person's asking what my account is, so let me just see this. The workers CSGI. Is it still Sorokassan? Or is it EMB? I don't know. I think it might be that. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay. So yeah. So the first thing I am going to do is IDA, actually. Empty recycle bin, then IDA. Okay. IDA 9.0. Yo, hi office. Okay. So I need to open IDO. I think I already did open IDO. Did I open IDO? IDO Professional 9. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to be basically re-implementing this binary, this exact binary from PlayStation Mobile. This one. Okay. Which I've already fully reverse engineered for the most part. So the page isn't okay. Where was my fucking live stream? Is it like is it youtube.com Soroka-san live? I know it used to be Soroka-san. I don't know if you can. I don't know if it's still the case. Okay, yeah, it is still Soroka-san. Okay, I don't know how to change that, but okay, whatever. Yeah. So yeah. So sidetrack, link faces, and game encryptor, decryptor. Okay. So I've already fully reverse engineered this. All of these unknown subs is just OpenSSL. They static linked OpenSSL to this binary. So yeah. So the first thing it does is it fills in the content ID into this buffer. Then it gets the keys from the developer license. Then it gets the PSC header keys, which is just basically pulls from here. Like there's the dev key, there's that one, and these are, I believe, for something else. And then content ID is here. I'm not quite sure what these bytes are for, but yeah. Then there's this. Just use. I think this is part of OpenSSL. This is probably part of OpenSSL. Yeah, SHA-256 HMAC. Yeah. So yeah, that's part of SHA-256. So. Okay, so for the most part, like everything that is important, like I don't know what everything is, but the important ones. Okay, so eData encrypt. So first I'm gonna do is I'm actually get the same version of OpenSSL that they're using. I'm gonna go build it. Which luckily is easy because OpenSSL just straight puts the version number in there, so I can just download it. Heck, you invite me to your Discord to me. Yeah, my Discord. Yeah, I have a Discord. I can invite you to it. Hang on. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna go grab OpenSSL 1.0.1a. I'm going to need RSA anyway, and OpenSSL is probably the easiest way to do that. OpenSSL Yeah, 1.10a or whatever. Alright, so let's grab the code for OpenSSL. Let's actually get Visual Studio going. Let's get a project going. Visual Studio. Okay. This is CO. I hate how CO GitHub is, oh my god. It didn't used to be a CO. It's only gotten a CO after Microsoft bought it. Okay, I can go now. Okay, so, can I go to the fucking home screen, please? Okay, Git. Can I open up Git? I hate this computer. I really hate this computer. Oh my gosh, give me my fucking... Give me command prompts, okay? Command prompts fast. Go to CO. Literally just how it is. So, ESM, encryptor, ESM, encryptor. I'm not gonna call it 64. I'll make both 64-bit and 32-bit versions, just like Sony did. Okay, so get clone OSSL in here. Create new project. Library. Dynamic link library. Select folder. ESM encryptor 64. Encryptor DLL. Right. Or just PSM encryptor. God, OpenSSL is such a huge project. Can this just finish cloning? I don't even need this. I don't even need the main branch. I need like a specific tag. Okay, this is done. I may immediately go change all the settings so it doesn't suck. So first things first, we want Windows XP support. Just because they probably have Windows XP support. We want let's see. Inco, all options. 6 different. Okay, it's under this all options instead. Use precompiled headers. No. Fuck precompiled headers. Multi-threaded DLL. No. Just static ink the entire C standard library piece. Okay. Cool. Then we turn on this feature because anything else is awful. And then we delete these. Okay. I actually didn't look at DLL main for this. Is there anything in DLL main that's notable? No. Okay, no, there's literally nothing in there that's notable. Awesome. Include stdio.h. Include stdib.h and include string.h. Include OpenSSL. I need to build OpenSSL first so I can include OpenSSL. Oh yeah, I probably have to include Windows.h because this is DOL, right? If def win32, you can do that, right? Am I doing that right? I don't see. It's not like changing Kaio or like acting as if it's there, but that should be like a basic one, like build. Still fucking cloning. Win32 Yin and Mia. What does that mean? Yin and mean. But what do I do with Win32 Yin and mean? The ghost space at the end. Looking for precompiled header PCH. I disable precompiled headers. What are you talking about? I turned them off. Why is it looking for them? Wait, can you all stop spamming my Discord, please? I can't kick on properties. Okay. Okay. What is the issue? Oh, I know what the issue is. This is Microsoft is in their infinite wisdom. I only changed it for freaking release builds. Of course I did. Windows XP. Like yes, use Windows XP, please. I want us to support Windows XP because Sony probably supports Windows XP, so we gotta support Windows XP. um, do not use precompiled headers. What is Win32 yin and mean? Can someone explain to me what that's supposed to do? And for the bug, we want it to always be MTD. That's not that. MTD. Yes. Okay. That's good. CPP uses, yeah, I mean, it's not actually a CPP. Doesn't, QD, I'm making QD entire printer subsystem. Win32 yin and mean. It's not a fit. Oh, do I need to define it? Like that. Is that right? Okay, well, I don't care for the entire printer subsystem. That's the mistake Game Maker made, and I yet to easily crack the program because it just auto loads WinSpool dot like whatever. Um, okay, let's build this. Does this work? Also, someone pointed out this is C++, and I'm using the normal standard dibs, so fine. You win. There you go. Um, someone's calling me. Hello? Yes? Okay, sorry about that. Someone called me unexpectedly. Um, but okay, so define. Okay, yeah. So refer to unit mean one API with your DLL main. Now I don't actually need DLL main. This is literally just so it builds the DLL. But anyway, yeah. So eData encrypts. SEPSM eData encrypts. This is what I want. Okay. And I want to like have multiple overloads of this, which is why I'm using C++. Because I want the Sony version, right? But I also want to make my own version because the Sony version kind of sucks. But you gotta have it for compatibility's sake, right? Okay, eData type. Okay, I have like a header for this somewhere actually. Header I already wrote for like when reverse engineering this. Windows. PSM encryptor.h, this one. Yes. Also this one. Finally, okay, OpenSSL. Git checkout. OpenSSL 101A. Is it just go check it, check out 101A? How do I get yes all of the branches? How do you yes all the branches that exist? Or like all the tags actually? Like that, okay. Um okay, that's what it is. Git checkout that. Okay, cool. Let's make a new file called like psm edata.h or something. Psm edata.hpp. Okay, if in def psm edata define psm edata1 end if. Okay. And here now in here I can kind of just include all of this because there's actually a fair bit of stuff in here. Yeah, so all these. Okay. And then should we shove all of this in here, like all of this stuff? We probably don't need the RC6 type. That's OpenSSL. That was just to get either to do something I wanted. But this, yes. This, yes. And then this is for HK app, which yeah, and then this is the HK app for like other HK app stuff. I might make a separate file called HK app for that, and then one for like PSSE. Maybe. So I'm gonna close Discord actually, because like I'm not even looking at it, and it's probably just lagging my computer out. So yeah. Okay, so HK app or HPP. If and def PSM HK app find PSM encryptor HK app and this encryptor data. Okay, so that's some stuff, and now it should honestly be inside like an arrow H, but whatever. Are these arrows the same as these arrows? Like, e-data status versus e-data status. There's two e-data statuses, and one of them has like more arrows in it than the other one. Why are there two? Well, it doesn't need to be two. Okay, that's weird. Why did I do that? Okay, e-data type, e-data status. Okay. This is good, I think. And then we want PSSE related stuff, which is here. So we have another one called PSSE.h. Which actually, it can be part of this because this is already called PSME data. So and yeah, so boom, done. Doesn't know what the UN64 is. Includes C standard. Okay. Perfect. That should be good for starts. So yeah, now I can just include PSME data.hpp, right? And that should be like that should make this work, right? More does it take? It takes e-data stat. I think it returns an e-data status. Okay, cool. And let's just return SCOK for now. And now let's build OpenSSL because I'm gonna need it. So yeah. ESM encryptor, OpenSSL. Okay, MSVC, isn't MSVC built in here, I'm pretty sure, somewhere. I sure, there's a way to build this MSVC, I know there is. How? Win3WCE, Win64, Visual C++, yes, that's what I have. How do I do that? To build for Win64, use Perl. No! No! Do I really have to use Perl to fucking build this? Are you kidding me? Is there like no already existing like build of this? I didn't actually look. There might be like a pre-built binary I can use because like I really don't want to fucking use Perl. Like fuck Perl. Oh my god. Okay, there actually are releases. So maybe the releases go back far enough if I can just use like the old version directly. Probably not, but like we'll see. Or is it just straight up the source code? It's just the source code zipped up, isn't it? Just the fucking source zipped up. Open SSL MSVC libraries. Surely someone has pre-built binaries for this. I don't want to install Perl. OpenSSL for Windows. Yes. That's what I want. Um Doesn't go old enough. Great. Okay. How do you run Perl on Windows? You need Perl. You can run on the side run or download active Perl from here. Okay. Okay. Do I have to use Perl? Why does it use Perl? I don't get it. Start free trial? This isn't even like what? It's not even like open source free shit. It's like fucking a trial for using Perl. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Okay. Um, so I can run on the SideWin. I don't have SideWin, and I don't want to install SideWin and MSys at the same time, so it's kind of annoying. But does MSys have Perl? Apparently. Okay. Cool. Come over to my desktop. Okay. So how configure VC Win64A? Was it really that easy? And now I can just go to ms do Win64A, right? Get Perl, blah blah blah. Get PSM encryptor, open SSL, ms. Okay, now I need the command line for Visual Studio. VS native tools command line, developer command line for VS 2022. That's what I'm after. Okay. This is so dumb. Okay. ms slash do win64. That's it, right? A. Oh, cool. It tries to run Perl. It tries to just run Perl to do that. Okay. Um, that's a problem. Do Win64A. Yeah, I didn't think so. Yeah, I didn't think so. Um, MS Win64. I need Perl actually installed, but I can't install Perl. Like, do Win64A, which is this. Like, what does this actually do? Runs these programs. It runs NASM. The issue is it needs NASM, but then okay, I'm just gonna have to like do this cross-referencing both command prompts. So cd ms actually this tells me to run it from here, so I need to run it in this directory, right? So first thing is just build fucking things NASM. NASM not found. Why? I'm in the developer command prompt, I should have NASM. Windows Platform SDK. Huh? Yeah, how am I not able to build freaking... So he tries to build OpenSSL. That's pretty much what the thing is, yeah. Okay. Should I just get this active state pal? I don't have NASM. Why don't I have NASM? Like, this is developer command prompt, right? Like, NASM Windows. Like, is that not included anymore? How install NASM in Windows 10? Winget package manager. Winget install NASM. Okay. Winget install NASM. Forget Winget's a thing. Can I just Winget install Perl as well? Is that like a thing? Rerun the installer system. Are you kidding? Wait. Um. Okay, it works now. If I want it that way, okay. Fucking weird. I need Perl for some reason, and NASM for whatever reason. Like, install Perl. What's up, Perl? Um, Perl formatter. Perl formatter, not Perl. Just Perl formatter, whatever the fuck that is. No. Okay, so this is an issue. I need powerful Windows, and the version I was gonna get is like paid. Like this is paid software. I can't just get this. Like, why do they recommend this? I need an account to download fucking Perl. Why would they use Perl for their build system? Perl for Windows. Surely like someone's made a port of Perl. Strawberry Perl. Um. Okay. I just want to build OpenSSL. Like, I just want to build a static library of OpenSSL. Is that too much to ask? Um. Zip portable. Okay. MSI. Yes. Okay. Is that also Winget? Strawberry. That that thing? Yes. Okay. I'll use Winget for that too. Um. Yeah. Literally, I just want to build fucking MSVC. I mean, I just want to build fucking OpenSSL. But apparently, I don't know what I'm doing. Shall We'll just strawberry pearl anyway. Why are there so many versions of pearl? I was just thinking like I also need SHA-1 and AES, and it's fucking OpenSSL. It has all of that built in. Like it has AES and SHA-1 as is part of OpenSSL. I don't know if Sony's using the OpenSSL one, but it's part of it, so if you may as well. Like, yes. I don't know what this does. Telescope said generate assembly. Oh god. What is this meta programming shit? Progress support. I'm installing Perl so I can build OpenSSL so I can even get started. Because Sony used OpenSSL, I don't know any easier way to do RSA and C. Um, either. So whatever. Also, all the keys are formatted as like Doe signatures as well, so it needs like extra stuff to pass it. So they is always gonna open SSL. Um, it's because it's installing stuff, Ruffus. Package reference OpenSSL with MS Build. Can I? Is that a thing? Actually, I think you're right. I think MSVC has like a package manager, doesn't it? Oh, good. Um, do we even have space for this? What's we have no? What's we run out of storage space? Just so I fucking get power. The issue is our issue of that is I'm trying to use the same version of OpenSSL that Sony used, which probably isn't the best idea, but like, eh. I mean, yeah, I want this to work on XP because the original module works on XP. So I still have like the legacy thing for building for XP, which you can still do in Visual Studio. You can still target XP. Like it's great. It tells you it's deprecated, but like it still works. Um, I'm installing Perl, and it's taking ages. No, I have like 2 hours left to go somewhere, and it's like, oh, I'll just do this, and like I have 2 hours to code stuff, and then it's just like, oh yeah, I'm still on OpenSSL. It's just, don't they have like VCPKG or something? Like, isn't that like a thing? I know Minecraft P uses it. Like, I know Minecraft uses VCPKG. Hey, Oliver, how do you know it's not my special version of OpenSSL that checks if the public key is the Yo-Yo Games public key, and then if it is, it just says the signature is valid? I hope VCPKG is what you're talking about. You get this for C Sharp, isn't it? Yeah, it's because it's installing. It's using all my CPU. Watch, I bet I'll be using all my CPU. Like, can't even kick the button. Being used by search and phoning. Yeah, Windows installer. Look, it's destroying my computer. Yeah, I feel like 17% is taken up by just rendering chat. I love HTML5 based like apps. It's so great. Like the live chat is just like half my CPU apparently. It's crowdfunding new PC for you. Jeez. The world's slowest Windows installer. Is there anything else open? Oh, I actually have. Okay, I have all this open. Okay, make close that. It's not just. It's not just the chat. Is this gonna finish ever? Always just to compile OpenSSL. Like I'm not even writing any of my own code yet. How bad is the audio? Oh god. If my CPU is being used right now by antivirus, that's brilliant. Okay, successfully installed in theory. Okay, cool. So in theory, we now can actually do this. So okay, what was the first thing I need to do? Let me just do this all again from like you. What? I just installed it, but I just installed Go. Is it not in the path? Oh wait, I might have to restart because I might have updated the path. Visual Studio Commands. The year's 2022. How do you get this to developer command prompt? Okay, I have phone now. Cool. Um, do I have Nazin? Yes. Okay, cool. Um, audio still broken. Where would that be? Is it because it's like too high? Is it like too loud with messing up? Um, how do I mess? How do I fix that? Audio. Um, I don't fucking know. Uh, I don't fucking know how any of this works. If I like make the high process priority high, will that like fix things? I don't know. Um, I don't know what's wrong with it. How configure alright, CD open SSL. Okay, do Win64 A. It's really quiet after the first word. That is strange. But yeah, Mike, I can plug in a second microphone. I have one. Hang on. Hold that for. I haven't used this in like ever, but I can plug this in and it might fix things. Just probably everything at this rate. Okay, and I'll go to there. And there. Okay, and now change the input device, right? Oh, the volume's like should be 100%. I could use a new house. Okay. How do I change the input device? Way out. What does that fix anything? Did that actually do anything? External microphone. Hey, is that better? Is that better? It's this is so much better. Okay, cool. I'll just use this mic then. Okay. Uh. Okay. Okay. So now what? Like I ran. Okay. Then nmake -f and ttol.mac. Fixed it. What? Peaking AR, as you can see. Should I turn it down a bit? Okay, oh, is that better? You said it was better, and now you're saying it's worse. Like, which is it? Is it 7% volume? Apparently. Make it like 20%. Okay, I can make it 20%. Is it better or is it worse? Can someone like tell me definitively? I was using internal mic before, and I just changed it to the external one. Do I have issues in my off streams I did with like the package installer? Or is this like a new issue or okay, so I have a question. If this is just building it, um if this is just building it, how do I build it like as a static library instead of as a dynamic library? Because Sony has a static inked. Like Sony has OpenSSL static inked to the to the DOL, but I think this is not gonna make a static library, right? Like probably not, right? New house on the way. I could honestly, yeah, like if you all wanna if you all wanna get me a new dev kit while you're at it. uh I guess do you use nt.mac instead of like ntdol? What even is this like .mac file? What? Should not need to touch anything below this point. Okay, but how do I make it static? Okay, when DOL, MD. Oh, okay. I can specify. Okay, MD. I'm guessing I specify MT there to do. Yeah, I think I'd specify MT instead of MD. Right. Yeah, I think I'm building the wrong one. I think I'm building DOL, and I should be building this one. This one looks like it's already static because it has MT. Um, this one has MD. Uh, and like. That shouldn't just be that though. It should also be like um potentially something for specifying you want a DLL output. I don't know what that would be though. Like MT is just saying you want the runtime library to be like static yanked. Um, but um, hmm? Okay, this is the DLL. So this is wrong. How do I make keen? And is it like n make keen? No. Because I want to use. I think I just want to build nt.dol instead of nt. Instead of like the other one. There's like not a lot in here. I'm kind of lost as to like. I think I want mt.dol, not the other one. Why is it building with slash debug? I'm gonna do nt.mac instead of ntdol. I think that's what I actually want. I need to readme. I could just read the readme. They generate their make files using like they have a Perl script to generate their end make files. Oh my god. This is like so cuss. Um should OpenSSL also install static libraries? Oh, does it? So it was fine before I was doing before? But this one has -mt. I want it to be empty. I don't want them to require I want to require the Visual C runtime or whatever. this one as well. I just realized if I'm building for XP and I'm building at Win64, I guess kind of silly. But then also I can also build 32-bit like using this one. It's like auto tolls but Perl instead of shell scripts. I don't know if that's worse. Is this like custom made? Did they like make this specifically for OpenSSL? Okay, while that builds, I'm gonna start implementing some of this. So so the first thing it does is it checks all of this. So that's simple enough. I can just straight up copy paste that. Okay, cool. Then it calls fill blank content ID, which would be here. Edata status result equals. So fill blank content. Let me actually rename this function because that's not actually what this does. It's just fill content ID. Like it's only blank because Sony made it blank. And then there needs to be a buffer for the content ID to be in, which is here. How big is this in hex? I don't know. But char content ID 42. Let me put this all on one line because it's like annoying me if it's not. Okay. So we're gonna start out just implementing what Sony had, and then we're gonna modify it so we can make it better. Yeah, I'm trying to get OpenSSL. You need OpenSSL. Like, you read the first function here. Like, this function uses OpenSSL. Like, literally, like, I'm not gonna be able to do this for very long. Okay. So rename to fill content ID. Yep. This is not a keyword. This should be a child pointer. Stupid optimizations. Okay. So PSME data status fill content ID char content ID. Okay. So the first thing it does is it memsets content ID 0 with the size of 0x2a find content ID size 2a, I guess. And then that's probably also the size of that as well. Okay. I'm back. Hi, I'm still building OpenSSL. I'm just letting Cowboy do it. Actually, content ID here is 2C. But it should be 2A, which is only 3 away from. Right, so char pad is 3, and then
to A? I guess that is that more accurate? No, it's still building. I'm gonna get pi out. I need to. Okay, so 0x2c minus 0x3 hex 0x2a right, so what's 0x2a? It's 42, so minus 2. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna change this to actually be 0x2c, right? And then we can have a UN16 pad. And that should be like the same, but now I can just specify I want like it to be the size of the PSSE header and not have to oh, it needs to be 2A. Okay, 2A is 42. Okay, yeah. So 0x2A. Okay, that should work, right? Okay. Size of, now I can just do size of PSSE header dot content ID, right? I guess this is a C++, like you do it like that, right? Yeah. And then return SCEOK. Um, uh, let's rename this to content ID as well. And then, the issue of memcopy S is like, I'm pretty sure that's MSVC only. Is memcopy S MSVC only? Okay, they've like globals. It's kind of annoying actually. So G content ID. Alright. Const G content ID. Okay, let me go back and change this back to how it was, because I just realized that they're actually just using the size of a global to do this, so that makes more sense. 0x2a equals empty quote. Const char G content ID that. No manual entry memcopy S. Yeah, I honestly don't get why they're doing. Can you just use string copy? Like, isn't string copy equivalent to mem setting all zeros, then mem copying up to the string length of something? Like, isn't it? Isn't strn copy like equivalent to that? Size of G content ID. Okay, so G content ID. Source size. They don't even use memcopy s correctly. They call memcopy s, but then they just use it like regular ass memcopy. Yeah, it's supposed to also have the source size as well as the destination size. But they don't even specify it. Wait, they don't even specify the source size. Like this is memcopy s, but then the source size isn't even set. Like, oh wait, it is. Okay, so it's content ID size, G content ID, and the size of G content ID. Right. Okay. Okay, they are doing it correctly then. Okay, yeah. I mean, memcopy s isn't exactly hard to implement. But still. Okay. I feel like this is just equivalent to strlen copy. Like, is that just the compiler optimizing this via memset and then a memcopy when it should be strlen copy? Like, this feels sus as hell. It feels like this should be string copy. Like, copying up to the story length into a buffer, like, that's generally just string copy. Like, anyway. So, yeah. Then that returns, yeah, that returns SCOK. It always returns SCOK. Why do they even bother checking if it always returns SCOK? Like, if it always returns SCOK, what's the point of checking? But whatever. Okay, so result equals, and then if SCOK, if result equals SCOK, then okay, so then it's get path install path filtered equals literally just wait, what's the point of that? Why does Sony do this? Sony, why do they string smprintf the install path into the install path? Install path filter equals 0x400 apparently. Okay. And then strn printf strn s printf s. Why is there s printf s instead of just sn printf? But whatever. Okay, sure. Install path filtered. Percentage s. Install path. Right. It's memset 0 string copy. But wouldn't that have the exact same effect as just string copy? Like, it's specifically memcopy the length of the string. Like, that's just string copy. um, like, for all I know, maybe strn copy s is like a macro of doing these two things. Like, stwl. What does this even do? It's not defined, whatever it is. What even is this? Doesn't a student copy does set the bytes off the content ID to null? But so does this. Yeah. Like, it sets the content out before to null. Yeah, this also does that. Like, this is either we just null it first, then copy up to the story length. I'm just gonna use strn copy. strn copy s. Like, for fuck's sake. This is clearly just strn copy, like. It might even, like, actually... It might even, like, actually optimize to this, like... I don't know, maybe this is just a macro that just does that, like... I don't know. Okay. I'll keep that there in case you want, like, I don't know, fucking byte for byte accuracy or some shit. I don't know. Is that even possible? Oh, it finished. Wait, did it finish or did it error? Come fix with target machine type x86. What do you mean? But it's not. That's not the target machine type. It's x64. What? I'm confused. Can fix with target machine type x86. Module machine type x64 can fix with target machine type x. What does that mean, though? How is the argument wrong? Oh right, because they want Stoyan of it, don't they? Yeah, I suppose. Okay. What does this thing even do? Like, stow LWR, like, what does that even do? Converts a string to lowercase using the current okay, so it usually just converts a string to lowercase. That's it, it's just turn it lowercase. Okay. Why can't I use that? Why isn't that in here already? Like, what module is this in? Does it even say? What header is this in? They just use string.h. But that's what I'm using. String.h. I guess they want an underscore in front of it. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. What does this error message actually mean? Like, the one we got when building OpenSSL, what is it? What is this? Let me Google this. Yeah, it's pretty much just 2 yellow case. Okay, so apparently I need to go to build configuration menu in my project in Visual Studio. The issue is it's not a Visual Studio project. I can't do that because it's not like a thing it has. Okay, but is it because I did NT? Do I need to do NTDLL? I don't want to do NTDLL. I'll try to open NTDLL. But like, I don't think that should be an issue. I guess it like specifies. No, it specifies Win64 in here too. I don't see how that would be an issue. It seems fine. I don't know. I don't know how to change the target thing is telling me to change. Should not contain machine x86. Does it? Is that even in here? No, it's not. I don't fucking know. I just want to open SSL, god damn it. Okay, so as long as it's install path yellow case then, not filtered. Like it's not filtering anything. It's just yellow case. Install path yellow case. Okay. Install path yellow case. Okay. So then it's get keys from KDBG. And now we have a problem because now we need OpenSSL. Yeah. PSM eData status. Get keys. KDBG. PSM HK app. Include PSM HK app. Let me rename this from HK app to PSM HK app, just for consistency. Okay, PSM HK app. Awesome. This should also be a size T, probably. Like, right? I think so. Is that a size T? No, that would make it bigger, which would break everything, so that must not be a size T. But this one is. Huh. Why would they do that? I don't know, but they did. There's actually nothing in here. That's kind of funny. See the Windows. PSM encryptor.h. This is PSM HK app. Okay, PSM HK app, and then byte isn't a thing. That's okay, because I can just use uint8 underscore t. That's basically the same thing! The IN13 stores dest equals source, and it's bugging you? Hmm? What do you mean? Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right. You can't make it Sony being stupid. It's not Sony. It's OpenSSL, because it's not Sony's issue. It's just OpenSSL being dumb. I could just build it for x86 on the C. I could just build it for x86, but whatever. Especially since I'm targeting Windows XP anyway. Failed. x86 cannot build because, the fuck? Yeah, it just, no. What? Okay, fine. I'll build for x86. You know what? Fine, we'll just do that. Uh, yeah, Perl configure, OpenSSL, prefix some OpenSSL though. I don't need a prefix, so I do, but, I just mkdo OSSL, and then make that the prefix. Alright, OpenSSL. Okay, mkdo build, and then I'll just make that be like the folder for prefix. Okay. This is the difference. No ASM. Oh, assembly. I don't care about if it's using assembly. Go ahead, you can use assembly. You can use handwritten assembly, it's fine. Okay, but I'll try building it without, I'll try building it without, you know. I still want to build NT if I can without thing. I'll just build it for x86 then, like, whatever. Remember, a static version use this. Yeah, okay, it actually tells you how you can do that. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so next is get keys and KDBG, which we've got here. I guess actually these should be like const voids because these are like inputs, right? And let me do this properly. Const void. Okay, these are input values, right? So these don't get modified, but then these do. Yeah. Doesn't matter that much. Doesn't actually affect anything, but like, good practice, right? And then I don't have byte. Let me just. There you go. Type def u and 8T byte. That's good enough, right? um. Game key, and then be the HMAC key, be the Android key, and the file name HMAC key, and the file as well. Okay. So then the first thing it does, we can just copy the all of this. Except get rid of this thing where it's just doing that for optimization nonsense. Okay, so that's start of it. And then we run into a problem. Then we have a bit of a problem on our hands. We need OpenSSL. Okay, what's the problem now? Cannot find OpenSSL show fail, unresolved function. And why are there some? How are there functions that aren't resolved in OpenSSL? Like, what is this? Should I try the NoSMB version? I'm gonna try the NoSMB version. Alright, I'm gonna try to do it without SMBs. I don't fucking know at this point. So I can make build. So I can animate. Is there like a way to clean everything I've done? Like I'm wondering if it's like just cleared with like random files and like other stuff. Um, like git PSM encryptor because I need OSSL now. Like I can't code anymore. I've reached the point where I need it. um. Okay, OpenSSL. I guess I can just read the regular install guide. Maybe that has something in it. Make install. Okay, just straight up use .config make install. Like what? Okay. Okay, and then what was the next one for install Win32? It was no. I want the NT make. Yes. Like I don't want NTDLL. I want regular ass NT. I want the static one. No. That built way too quick. I feel like there's depth of a file cell. But I don't know how you keen it. I guess I could just do this. Like where am I currently? It's like git tag right, yeah, so it's OSSL whatever, like so git tag like git reset hard open SSL underscore 101A. Okay, so now that should just reset everything to how it was when that tag was set. That's my make keen. Um, okay. Do we wanna still try? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try using this one. If you're using NASM, then use do NASM. Alright, but I'm not, because I'm just trying to build the C code at the moment. Okay, and now now stress, and this should have hopefully reset everything, such that it now tries to build. Nope, that didn't reset anything. That works. OD TMP 32. OD TMP 32 DOL. Like, is it just going to those TMP folders? Any other TMPs? Okay. Now I want to try nmake dash f ms nt the mac. Like, wipe the whole thing out and then rebuild it. Maybe it's because I like stopped it halfway through or something. I don't fucking know. I gave up on X64 and I'm now trying to build it 32-bit and it's like not even working now. It was competing before if I was trying to build 32-bit code to 64-bit even though I wasn't. And so now I'm like, okay, fine, I'll just build a 32-bit and then it's not working either. Also, I don't know if this OSSL library will like work on like if this does build, if it will work on XP, but I mean it's an old version, it should. I mean at the moment I'm using C++ as if it's C pretty much, so I don't know. I prefer either to Ghidra, but the issue is like there's no tools to import like Vita name identifiers into either anymore. Like they all like super outdated and like work on like either 5 or 6 or something. None of them work on either 9, which is kind of a shame. So you have to use Ghidra for the most part. Which is annoying because I think Ida has the better decompiler for like AM code, but whatever. It does, but Ida does have Python, but the Python script to import NIDs is for Python 2, and Ida switched to a Python 3 a while ago. Or you can update it if you want. I don't know what the code's doing. I don't know Ida Python. I think part of it is just knowing Ida Python. Also, Ayabek, do you know why it's not building? Like, it's kind of annoying me if it's like it's failing to build constantly. I guess I can specify some other stuff, like, for instance, the top secret publishing key password. The top secret password use the publishing keys, and this is just dumb. Typedef UN's 8 byte. I feel like that should be defined somewhere. In fact, no, that is defined somewhere. That's defined in like STD, right? Like STD int maybe. Like I feel like there's already a typedef byte equals like typedef byte is UN16. Where is that? I know it's a thing. Um, is it C++? Is it like IOStream? Maybe? I swear. I swear there's like something that defines byte somewhere. C student. C student. I've got C student though. It still says byte is undefined. STD byte. It's literally here. Typedef unsigned chow whatever, right? RPC NDL .h. What the fuck? It doesn't need to be here, which is like annoying. I could just specify them as UN8Ts, but like UN8T. I'm just gonna change them to UN8Ts. This is like the super secure password Sony uses on publishing keys. Just copy it in the typedef. I'll just change it to UN8s. Like, this is still building. There's like there's the password they use for the PKCS12 file, which is just password, which is kind of funny. while I'm here, let me make a keys.cpp or like a keys.h. Keys.h and keys.cscp. Because I'm just gonna start getting some of the AES keys I'm gonna need. So keys.hpp or psm keys.hpp and psm keys.cpp. Okay. psm keys.cpp. Yep. And let's do this thing where we do psm encryptor or whatever. If in def psm encryptor keys h, define psm encryptor keys h1 and if. Okay. So static chow that's not static chow, static no, extern chow. Yes, that's how you do it. Extern chow, extern const chow, actually. Publishing key passwords. Extern const. uint8t, psm header key dev. Actually no, that needs to be a chow, because the way they store them, okay, the way they store the keys, not in here, it's in this one, PSSE header keys. Okay, the way they store them is just ASCII, and then they have a function to turn the ASCII into bytes, so I have to store them that way, and then do that, okay, to be like accurate. Header key, psm dev header key, if def psm release keys, let's also add an extern const chow psm header key, psm header release, psm like release header key, right? And then psm dev header key. So we can have like, if you can have like a flag to enable the retail key. Just cause that's probably helpful to have, right? Windows searched out. The PSM team is a league of its own. Just copy in the type def, yeah. I mean, honestly. Okay, no, it doesn't build. I can't build this. This doesn't build. Shit. Unresolved externals. IOB function. What is IOB func? Like, that's all it's missing. What even is that? VS17 C++. Add C++ standard header for MSCLT. Shouldn't that already be in there? I'm grabbing the tag for OpenSSL. I never actually checked that the tag for it is like actually usable. Like, what if like the tag 101A isn't actually usable on its own or something? I don't fucking know. Like, if I grab the yeast build and try build that, does that work better? So even though yeast settled? That's too new. Man, that's too old. Forward a bit. 101. Okay, almost. No. 101A. Yeah, so should I try grab the yeast version and try build it that way? Maybe? What even is, like, IOB funk? Being used by another process. Whatever process is accessing it now. Oh, it's 7-zip. Okay, what's wrong now? Possibly wrong compile. That would be a problem because I don't have. Well, actually, I want it to use the Windows XP build tools, right? But I don't actually know how you tell it to do that from the command line. But yeah, I am building an old version, so it actually is a possibility. Like, I think you're right that that is a possibility. Okay, fucking finally. Wget this. I don't know wget. Cool. Okay. How do I make it build MS? Let me Google how to do that after I download this. I'm gonna download the actual yeast for it. But yeah. Because there actually is a point. It might be the wrong compiler. The Windows XP compiler should work, I think, but not sure. PSSS mono, PSM encryptor. I could just check what compiler Sony used for the official DLL. Bones mean, yeah. Let me check what Sony used real quick. Do I have die on here? Yes. Okay. Okay, now. Like, not msys. Program files. MS build. SCE. PSM encryptor 64. Taking a sweet ass time. Anyway. He's like yes in 2015. Well, you can specify. I can change the build tools, right? Like in here, I have the ability to change it to this one, which is what I want to do. But I don't even know how you do this in the command line. Use command line and make like they used Visual C++ 15.0, which I'm not actually sure what that is, but how do you use this in nmake? Took us to abflags -t v50 xp apparently. I'm gonna try to give that a shot. Cause yeah, then it would work on XP, and in theory, like the XP compiler should be older, I think. PSM encryptor. I need symbolic inks. Do I actually need to create symbolic inks to do this? Are you kidding me? Wait. Is that why it wouldn't build? Would it not build because it needed symyinks? I swear to God. I actually have Tau on here. I can just use the official Tau tools. Maybe those will work. X, VF, XVZF, because it has GZ. Open SSL. Let's just use Tau instead of trying to do it with 7-zip. So we need to add -t xp for the xp to the nmake file, right? Cmake. I mean, I'm not trying to use cmake. I'm trying to use nmake. Nmake. It's actually an issue on OpenSSL about how to do this, I think. I'm unable to extract, like, exit the WAID from previous errors. What are the errors? Can't create SHA-1 tests. Oh, it's only the tests. Okay, it's only the tests that fail. In theory, I don't need those, right? Okay, that's potentially an issue. Shit, I can't extract these. I can't. I'm on Windows. I can't do. I can't do fucking. I can't do this on Windows. I can't do like freaking Symyinks on Windows. Why are these Symyinks? I have no idea. I did, and then it didn't work with git checkout, so we tried doing it a different way. We're really doing this because we couldn't do it that way. Like it wasn't working. But fine. I guess I'll do that again. Audi open SSL. Like I couldn't. It wouldn't build for some reason. So I thought maybe the issue was like the release build had was like a different tag or something. No, it's the same. It's this. I'll get this exact commit. First of all, git clone a specific tag, so I don't have to wait for it to unpack the latest version just to immediately change it to the old one. Like, is there a way to specify that in the clone itself? It's like, no. Oh, you just specify git clone myself. Okay, git clone. Don't create checkout. How do I check out like a specific? Can I check out a specific thing like immediately, or? Because I don't want to wait for it to clone and then have to freaking check out and then just immediately check out a different one. If I do no checkout, does that like... That means I can just check out a different one, right? I think. Oh. Okay, so dash B, we wanted to go with this exact commit. And then dash 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 depth 1. There's 2 dashes apparently. Now what's in here? Okay. Apparently I can't check out a specific branch that way. I guess there's also the tag. Can I check out the tag? I wanted that specific commit. That's like when this is released. I'll just do it this way. Okay. So now, so now we need to set this up again, how we're doing it, but I think we want to somehow make it use, we need to somehow make it use the XP compiler. So if I go here, right, and I check properties, there's like a way to get all of the arguments we used to build this, right? Like it shows that somewhere, I think. Release Win32 would be what? Would it specify the? I don't see the part where it would specify if I want Windows XP. VC141 PDB. Using V11 SDK 71. Is that what I want? Like, how do I specify to use this compiler specifically? Where does this come from? Is there like more of these? It's just command prompt.exe. Okay. But like, yeah, the issue is like all of these. How do I change it to use the compiler for Windows XP? Like, I don't know what I'm doing, but how do I do that? VS dev cmd. Apparently. VS dev cmd, VS ms build cmd. Like, how do I specify this in command line? Like, I can't find that. Nmake specify, platform toolset MSVC. Oops, I need to curse that. They're using to use CMake. They said Nmake, and then the answer that's accepted is how to do it in CMake. I hate you. Like, why? Why? This only works if you go with MS build, not with Nmake. Yes! That's what I'm saying! Why is this the accepted answer? That's not how you do it. Like that can't be right. Fucking hell. Okay. Target XP. Does that actually work? But that's part of a configure script. That's not like I just type install W32. Okay. If the encryption read these. It's actually a section troubleshooting. And make. It's just that they're not using MS build. They're using like this weird nmake thing that I've never seen before. And I'm supposed to use this one to configure it. Actually, what can I do with the configure script anyway? Like, let me just run configure. OS / compiler flags. No hardware. What if I just don't? It was erroring in like the CPU ID stuff, right? What if I just like don't do that? Like if I do no hardware, does that? Like I'm not gonna use that anyway. What else is there? Bigger compiler from any of these. VC W64A, W64I, VC Win32. What if I build over i386? Like no HW, I think is what I want, and no ASM, maybe. Yeah, no HW, and like 386, maybe. Is it like documented what these flags actually do? Yes, okay. No threads, don't ship over multi-thread applications. No zib. I could build it for 386. What does no HW do? Of course it's not documented what that does. You think building for 386 might fix my problem? Don't try create shared libraries. Okay, I don't want those anyway. Okay, so I don't know what no HW does. So if a CPU ID read, then I want that. I don't want that. And then no threads. Let's just like make a very stripped down version, and maybe it will build. Because I don't need zib either. You know, like I don't need any of that. And maybe, you know, maybe if we do all that, then maybe it will actually work. Wait, no, I meant to do the. I meant to do the NT dot make, not NTDLL. They're still not using Windows XP compiler, I don't think, but whatever. Wait, back. I have to go now, so yeah, see ya.